So, usapang ginto na naman tayo. Kararating lang ng aking asawa. He went gold metal detecting and ito yung kanyang nakuha. Here it is. Maliliit na nugget. O, diba? How many hours? 2-3 hours. And then, ito yung the rest na nakuha niya. Diba? Ang dami. Let me see the big one, love. Wow. Oh, diba? Yan, pinagsama-sama niya na yung mga nakuha niya couple weeks ago. And ayan na. Diba? Freeing ginto dito sa Nome, Alaska. Basta masipag ka lang, right?
Right.
Ito, tinimbang natin yung malalaki. 4.3. How much is it?
$240.
Oh, yeah? How much per ounce?
Per gram.
Per gram, I mean?
I think it's 60 around.
Wow. That looks not too bad. So, ayan. Titimbangin natin lahat.